Let's take a look at the world's deadliest earthquakes. The deadliest earthquake on record occurred in Shanxi, China in 1556, killing an estimated 830,000 people. 1976, the Tangshan earthquake. This earthquake killed an estimated 242,000 people, but the actual death toll may have been as high as 655,000. 2004, the Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami. This earthquake killed at least 227,000 people across 13 countries. 2010, Haiti earthquake. This earthquake killed an estimated 300,000 people and left 1.5 million homeless. 2023 Turkey-Syria earthquakes. These earthquakes killed at least 59,488 people. Bad weather conditions and international sanctions made it difficult to search for survivors.